Europe tends towards a smart, sustainable, and inclusive economy, building an environment based on knowledge and innovation. In the transport sector, Europe has established as a priority the need for integration of sustainable development, while at the same time increasing the safety and security in all transport levels, spanning from vehicles to transport infrastructure. To this end, the European Union aims to increase efficiency, competitiveness, and innovation in the transport sector, exploiting new, untapped possibilities such as nanotechnology. This is exactly the objective of the MASTRO project. MASTRO is an EU-funded research project with 17 partners among 6 European countries. MASTRO is developing intelligent, nano-enabled bulk materials for the transportation sector. These novel materials will present self-responsive properties such as self-sensing, self-curing, self-protection, self-de-icing, and self-heating. All these functionalities will be supported by different ICT components such as sensors, actuators, processing and communication modules, control software, and interfaces. The ICT platform will offer real-time data management, processing, and decision-making in industrial environments. The main motivation of the MASTRO project is to introduce smarter, safer, and more sustainable transport concepts through smart applications of the self-responsive materials in the automotive, aerospace, and infrastructure industries for the production of prototypes in the addressed sectors such as wing leading edge in aircrafts, car bumpers, and pavements. MASTRO will develop new market opportunities for European transportation industries, improving consumer safety, reducing maintenance cost, and contributing to the circular economy philosophy. For more information, you can visit the MASTRO website, and don't forget to follow us on social media.